here to file round 2 of our recall against Inslee. Our friend Brandon Ducharme is the proponent here, and he's standing up and being a good Washingtonian and a good citizen and standing up for what's right. We're waiting for them to get probably the Assistant Secretary of State who will deal directly with the recall. So we have our new proponent here, and he's got the paperwork all filled out with our new charges. We have to have a different proponent for a specific legal reason, and we have to have different charges. Round 2 has begun.
Yeah.
We will, the Secretary of State's responsibility now is to get the paperwork to the Attorney General's office within 15 days. And from that point, there's 15 days for them to schedule a hearing with the Superior Court. So within 30 days of today, we should be in the Superior Court.
This is ONN.
Is that an old map?
So,
or is it a
just so all of you know, we're here to file round 2 of our recall against Inslee. So we're waiting for them to get probably the Assistant Secretary of State who will deal directly with the recall. So we have our new proponent here, and he's got the paperwork all filled out with our new charges. As I've said in the live streams, we have to have a different proponent for a specific legal reason, and we have to have different charges. We can't have the same proponents do time and time again. So here we go.
What do we got?
Recall.
Okay. Okay, and this is you, right?
Mhm.
Okay. I just need your voter registration address
Okay.
right here.
Is that anywhere down here?
Yeah. Sorry, I thought my table was out. I need the address you're registered to vote at there. Is this a blank copy of the same?
Those are copies so that he can have a file copy and one for the attorney. Just need them stamped. Time and date. With the
Okay,
same-
we'll make a copy of this one.
That's fine.
Yeah.
But he'll need 2 copies, one for him and one for the attorney. But if you'll make 2 copies.
Oh, yeah, that's fine.
Yeah, that's fine.
Do you
Sorry, I
need
thought I
the
meant the Attorney General.
Just
Like,
for
he's got
information,
these big copies.
the reason they need
Do
the
you ID or
address
anything?
is to do a recall, a statewide recall. You need to be a registered voter in the state of Washington in order to have standing.
Need contact.
So that's why they were asking for an address.
Should I give him my contact or the attorney?
Not just yours.
Yeah. We don't need to put the contact information on the recall card, but I just need a way to call you if I need to.
Yeah.
If you don't mind putting your number and an email address would be great.
Can he put down multiple email addresses?
Sure.
So if you would also put the recall inslee@gmail.com, and that way it can be CC'd to us.
Okay.
Because we'll have to forward any communications to the attorney. gmail.com. Yeah, gmail.com. I always get confused with the website.
Oh, there we go. Yeah, this is a little ragged.
So now technically, round 2 has begun.
Yeah.
We will, the Secretary of State's responsibility now is to get the paperwork to the Attorney General's office within 15 days. And from that point, there's 15 days for them to schedule a hearing with the Superior Court. So within 30 days of today, we should be in the Superior Court.
Nice.
And most of you know what happens after that.
Oh, yeah.
You've been through it once, and it just gets better. Now, our attorney has been, he says that he thinks he's going to be able to expedite things so it goes a lot faster than the first round, so we're hoping,
That would be nice.
hoping that is. We will have time constraints because gathering 1.5 million signatures takes time. And by law, we have only 9 months to do it. And we have to be finished 6 months before the general election that we plan to be on. So we plan to be on the 2023. We will have to finish by about May 2nd of 2023. Which, if all you guys get out of your easy chair and put the margaritas down, we'll be doing.
There's plenty of businesses you can have them do too. And keep an eye on the
Absolutely.
businesses too.
And this is another plea to start organizing your counties, because once we get the green light, we're not going to have a lot of time. So get your counties together. If you want to moderate your county, a lot of counties still don't have moderators.
And we will send those off to the AG and send you a certified letter letting you know that we did something.
In that email or is it mail?
It's mailed.
Okay.
It's certified USPS.
Okay.
But if I need to contact you, I can email you.
What is your name?
Stu Jensen.
Stu Jensen. So I'll just introduce some people. Stu Jensen for the Secretary of State's office. He's received the recall demand. Our friend Brandon Ducharme is the proponent here, and he's standing up and being a good Washingtonian and a good citizen and standing up for what's right. So thank you, sir.
Thank you. Have a good day.
You too. Why don't you flash the paperwork at him? So this paperwork, the recall charges will be posted on the website and on the group probably this afternoon. Encourage everybody who's curious to read them. And why is that important? Other than for self-edification, it's important because we need everybody out there to be spreading the message so that people know what's going on, so they know what's going on, and look around at all the press that's here. None of them. And I sent out about 15 press releases last night. So the only press that's out there is going to be each and every one of you. This is not going to happen by somebody else. It's nice to say thank you for what you're doing, but really you need to be doing this. Each and every one of you out there needs to be doing this.
Hope you liked this video. Thanks for watching.